Freaking bugs, man. Bugs flying everywhere. Unbelievable amount of bugs. Sitting on my hat? No, I'm good.
Oh, you just stop. You go ahead and leave this car around.
Oh, big old truck. Don't worry, guys. I'm not going to sing again. So we're going to run down to one of my places where I go to blow off some steam and maybe sit around and think for a minute. If it's not flooded. I haven't been able to come down here because it's been flooded every time I wanted to, but we're going to check it out tonight, see if she's underwater or not. Man, I'm not feeling as smooth on the bike. Been off of it for a couple days. Gotta hone in my skills again. Oh, that rhymed. That was awesome. Oh man, that's up. That's up high. I don't know if we're gonna make it to this place. That road closed ahead. I wonder if they closed the whole damn thing. Water over road. Oh man. I guess we won't be going to one of my places after all. Because it's underwater. Totally underwater.
Well, I guess we found it.
Hey, we found the riverfront. It's right here.
Yeah, there's a canoe out there. Turkey?
Huh?
Turkey?
Hey, it's really sandy. Be careful.
Oh no. Yeah, I mean, we could jump on the highway and go around this.
Well,
It's open down there.
Well, my thought is if this is flooded,
Yeah,
it's definitely going to be flooded down there.
for sure.
Because this never gets this bad.
No, I've never seen this part flooded actually.
You see back there where we're going before Imperial?
Kingswick?
On
Before Kingswick,
that bridge?
That church was almost underwater. That house,
Yeah.
the barrier around the fucking some kind of building.
Saw that.
Gangster. I guess everybody in town knows because nobody's coming this way.
It said the road closed, water. I was like, we'll see it.
Yeah.
I was like, oh shit.
That's why I was like, whoa, hold on now.
Oh, wait a minute now. Kind of snuck up on us, huh?
A little bit. I mean, luckily we had that truck there. And I just kept watching his brake lights to see what he was doing. This is when some meth head comes around the corner and just lays us all out.
All right. Yeah, all right. Leave the bikes here.
I mean, is it chained up?
Yeah. Looks like it down.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody has a plan.
I'm telling you.
And I want to know what it is.
Just chain your fucking canoe up, you know. To
Maybe
fence
they
for no
have a
reason.
house somewhere for the house to get there.
That might be it.
That's how they get home, you think?
Well, maybe. I've been in the flood.
Oh, me too, dude. We have entered the flood. Come on, Jared, get in the flood. Get in the flood.
Nope.
What do you mean, no?
I mean, you don't have to walk in the middle of the damn thing.
Just get in the flood.
Right.
Jared's in the flood.
He's in the flood.
We'll find something out there to hood rat in.
Fuck, we'll do something.
Get kicked out of the town.
That'd be easy.
Don't get on the levee.
Yeah, right. No shit.
I don't want to be up here. You're not.
I bet she ain't there right now.
I bet she ain't.
All right, Alright guys, well I was gonna take you to my place to respond to TheMattManTN's latest challenge of those places, but it's flooded, so I will make a video on it once this water level goes down, maybe next month. They said it's gonna be a while. So anyway, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, thought it was trash, garbage, junk, go ahead and thumb it down. If you guys liked it enough that you might want to stick around and check out some more of my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It really does go a long way to helping me out. Thank you guys so much. Again, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram at Zack at Zack First Person. I will see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.